how to make a Jeya Sprite. So let's start it. First, let's prepare the ingredients and the tools. The ingredients are 1 Sprite, 1 Yakult, 4 of jellies, and some ice cubes. And the tools are glass and a straw. First, put the jelly into the glass. Next, put the ice into the glass. After that, put the Yakult into the glass. Last but not least, put the Sprite into the glass. It's very easy, right? Thank you for watching. Enjoy your Jeya Sprite.